Hello, good morning! Ako si Coach Julie Domingo, TPC's Hall of Famer, and I'm very proud and grateful to be part of the TPC family. Congratulations, Telepreneur Corporation, on our 14th anniversary! Thank you, TPC, kasi hindi lang business opportunity ang ibinigay nyo sa akin. Through TPC, I learned to believe more in myself, to dream bigger, and most importantly, we were also able to help other people to create their own source of income and opportunities. Napakasarap maging parte ng isang company na sa loob ng 14 years ay patuloy na nagbibigay ng pagkakataon sa mga ordinaryong Pilipino katulad ko na maging negosyante at magkaroon ng dagdag na pagkakakitaan. My wish for TPC is more successful years, more milestones, and more lives to change. I'm truly grateful and proud to say, TP-sian ako. Again, happy 14th anniversary TPC. More power, more blessings, and more success. And may God continue to guide and bless our entire TPC family.